Hey everyone, and welcome. So, what's the real difference between someone who just fills jobs and a true talent acquisition professional? In this explainer, we're going to break down a program that's designed to bridge that exact gap. It's a complete end-to-end system for totally transforming how you hire.
So let's start with the really important question, one that gets to the heart of it all. I want you to think about your day-to-day. Are you just executing recruitment tasks, posting jobs, sifting through resumes, scheduling calls? Or are you actually running a professional, strategic hiring process? There's a world of difference between the two, and that's exactly what we're here to explore.
Think of it like this, a tale of two roles. Over on the left, you've got the reactive task executor, constantly just putting out fires. But on the right, you have the professional who's running a complete hiring process. They're proactive, they're strategic, and they're a true partner to the business. This program is all about moving you from that left column firmly into the right one.
Okay, so how do we actually get you there? Let's look at the tangible, real-world outcomes you're going to walk away with.
By the end of this, you'll have the skills to own the entire hiring process with total confidence. You'll learn how to completely change your relationship with hiring managers, going from just an order taker to a real strategic partner. We'll cover all those core skills, like building pipelines and conducting structured interviews, and then we'll elevate them with the strategic stuff like making truly defensible, data-driven hiring decisions.
So you might be wondering, is this for me? Well, this program is really built for ambitious hiring professionals who are ready to level up their game.
So whether you're a recruiter looking to step into a senior role, an HR pro who really needs more structure in your hiring, or maybe you're even switching careers into talent acquisition, this program gives you that critical foundation. It's especially valuable if you're in a fast-paced startup, because it gives you a ready-made playbook for success.
All right, let's pull back the curtain and look at the learning path. This is a 9-module curriculum that takes you step by step, all the way from the foundational principles to strategic execution. It's your roadmap.
The first 3 modules are all about building a rock-solid foundation. We kick things off with the core principles. Then we dive into the crucial skill of truly understanding what a hiring manager needs. And we cap it off by mastering how to write job descriptions that actually attract the right people from the get-go.
Now, once that foundation is set, modules 4 through 6 are where we master execution. This is the engine room of recruiting. You'll learn how to design sourcing strategies to build awesome pipelines, screen candidates effectively, and conduct structured interviews that fairly and accurately evaluate talent. And in the final stretch, we focus on driving strategic outcomes. This is what really elevates you to a true talent partner. We cover making objective hiring decisions, using tools and metrics to improve performance, and finally, mastering the candidate experience to build an amazing employer brand.
Now, beyond the curriculum itself, the core focus of this program is on practical application. This is not about theory. It's a toolkit you can literally start using from day one.
This quote really is the whole philosophy of the program. Every single lesson is designed for immediate practical use because the entire system is built on learning by doing.
And here's exactly how we deliver on that promise. Every single module includes practical lessons to build your knowledge, real-world exercises that simulate actual hiring challenges to build your skills, and a whole suite of downloadable templates so you can put it all into practice right away.
And to prove that you've truly mastered all these new skills, the program culminates in a final capstone project that brings everything you've learned together in a really powerful way.
The capstone isn't just some test. It's a full-scale simulation. It's your chance to apply everything by running a complete professional hiring cycle, from that very first briefing all the way to the final decision.
You're going to tackle every critical stage, from the role intake and sourcing to screening candidates and interviews, all the way to making a final, data-backed hiring recommendation. This is the ultimate proof of your new capabilities.
So, after you complete all the modules and the capstone, what will you actually have to show for it? Let's talk about what you'll graduate with.
You're not just leaving with knowledge. You'll have a complete toolkit of ready-to-use templates and checklists, genuine hands-on experience from the capstone project, and of course, a certificate to validate your new expertise. It's really a comprehensive package designed to accelerate your career.
And that brings us right back to where we started. Now that you've seen the path from just doing tasks to building a real strategy, the final question is for you. Are you ready to stop just checking boxes and start running your hiring process with strategic confidence?